Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today, idioms and phrases lesson 11. Before we kick off, let's do a quick review. Can you remember the 3 idioms we learnt in lesson 10? Try to recall them. Try to tell me what they are. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Have a think. What were they? What were we discussing? Okay, if you cannot remember them all, don't worry. You can review them after this lesson. But I'm going to review them now for you. Because just the very act of you trying to recall them first, when I say them, you're going to have that aha moment. Okay, here we go. Tickle someone's fancy. If something tickles your fancy, then you like it, you want it, you're interested in it. Bill, which one of these movies tickles your fancy? What's your poison? What's your poison? What alcoholic drink would you like? Chuck, good to see you, old buddy. What's your poison? My round. So, if you go to someone's house and they say, hey, what's your poison? They're not trying to hurt you. They just want to give you a drink. What's your poison? And finally, catch someone's eye. If something catches your eye, then it gets your attention. You want to see what it is and you want to explore it more. Okay, so I was at the shop the other day and this sign caught my eye. I said, oh, what's that say? Oh, 50% off sale. It caught my eye. Okay, so if it catches your eye, it gets your attention. Now, I hope I've caught your eye because I need your attention for today's 3 idioms. Here we go. The first one, slow off the mark. If you're slow off the mark, you are slow to react. Think of it like you're in a race and everyone's on the same mark, the same line, and the gun goes. Everyone starts, but you're on holiday. You're like, oh, then you start. You were slow off the mark. If you slow off the mark, you're going to miss a lot of opportunities. Slow off the mark. The next one. Slow on the draw or quick on the draw. They're the opposite, okay? So, if you're slow on the draw, you're slow to react. If you're quick on the draw, you're quick to react. What's the difference between slow off the mark and slow on the draw? Nothing. But what's I think it's quite cool. When you're slow on the draw, think of when you see these Western movies and the cowboy and they got their gun and they're, okay, they're gunslingers and they're there and they're sort of getting ready and they're drawing their gun, okay? So, draw the gun. If you're slow on the draw, well, that could be the end of you. Quick on the draw. Quick on the draw, okay? You react quickly. So, let me give you an example. If you want BTS tickets, you need to be quick on the draw because those things sell like hotcakes. So, if you want BTS tickets, you have to react quickly when they go on sale because they sell out quickly. You've got to be quick on the draw. And the next one, slow on the uptake. Slow on the uptake is a little different. Slow on the uptake, if the uptake is when you bring something in, okay? So you're uptaking something. So here, slow on the uptake means slow to catch on to a new trend or idea. Slow on the uptake. The other thing it means, a little bit mean, if someone's slow on the uptake, they're unintelligent or behaving in an unintelligent way. Okay, so the teacher's trying to tell you something, you have no idea. You're a little slow on the uptake today. A little unintelligent today. A little bit slow in taking in the knowledge today. Okay, slow on the uptake. My brother is a little slow on the uptake. Now that's ambiguous. Do I mean he's slow in reacting to trends? Or do I mean unintelligent? So that's ambiguous. Slow on the uptake. There you go. They're the 3 idioms for today's lesson. I just want to remind you a couple of things. On the PDFs, make sure you're doing the writing activities. Make sure you're speaking out loud. In this lesson, you are going to find a clip and a reading for Quick Draw McGraw. It's an old cartoon character from, I kind of remember, 1959. 1959! Okay? And this guy was a gunslinger. So, Quick Draw McGraw. Make sure you do that. It's a little bit of fun. The clip's about a minute and the reading there. The other thing I want to draw your attention to, because we're all about communication here, we've got the fluency tip. This one, I'm going to explain it quickly before I leave you. When we're speaking, often we want to compare A to B. Okay, so like Kim Yona is the Michael Jordan of ice skating. Okay, so they're equivalent in some way. We can do this using a simile. Let me give you some examples, and then you can check out the PDF to learn how. She is as quiet as a mouse. That guy is as big as a house. You can also just use like. Dude's like a gorilla. Okay, maybe he's strong or big. Okay, so there's your fluency tip there. Make sure you read that, and that will make a lot of sense. Don't forget, listen to the MP3, do all the activities, study every day, and tell your friends that at Oyster Cafe, we keep English real. Bye!